Yeah, you're welcome to this short video. So many persons have asked, how do you make money using this Classiera classify ad WordPress theme? So I just have to make it this quick one. You can make money in 4 ways as of today. You can make money from featured ads. You can also make money from pay per post. You can make money when subscribers bump their ads, and you can make money through regular ads. Now in my next video series, I'll be explaining each of these so that you can understand perfectly that Classiera is indeed a time bomb because they have just started. I see the possibility of this team becoming world number 1. So stay tuned on my video. If you're yet to subscribe, do that right now, and I will keep you updated as soon as I make the videos. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.